your business is growing or failing. It will be impossible, right? Uh, this is exactly where accounting plays a vital role. Accounting helps business understand their financial story, just like a language helps people communicate. So, through this presentation, I will explain what is accounting is, why accounting is important, the main function of accounting, its limitation, and its real world importance. Let us begin. Uh, What is accounting? Let us first understand what accounting factually means. What is accounting? Let us first understand what accounting actually means. Accounting is defined as the systematic process of identifying meanings and communicating financial information about an economic entity. In simple words, accounting means recording business transactions, measuring them in monetary terms, and communicating the results to users. Accounting is called the language of business because it converts complex financial activities into simple and understandable information. For example, a business may perform thousands of transactions daily, but accounting summarizes them into clear reports like profit and loss accounts and balance sheets. Yes. So, why accounting matters? Now, let us understand why accounting is so important. First one, systematic records. Accounting provides a systematic and verifiable record of all business transactions. This helps in avoiding errors, frauds, and confusion. Performs in its insights. Accounting clear shows whether the business is making profit or loss. What is the financial position of the business? This helps in evaluating performance over time. Third one, informed decision making. Managers depends on accounting information to make decision related to expansion, cost control, pricing, and investment. Without accounting, this decision will be risky. Stakeholder communication. Accounting supplies information to owners, investors, creditors, governments. This builds transparency and trust. So let's understand the core functions of accounting. First one, recording. The first and most basic function of accounting is recording. Recording means systematic noting down every financial transaction of the business. Only those transactions which can be measured in money are recorded. These transactions are entered into journals, subsidiary tool books, ledgers. For example, if a company purchase machinery worth 2 lakhs, this transaction must be recorded properly. According recording ensures no transaction is forgotten. A permanent financial record is maintained. This step forms the foundation of the accounting process. Second core function of accounting, classifying. After recording transaction, the next function is classification. Classification means grouping similar transactions together under specific accounts. For example, all salary expenses are grouped together. All sales transactions are grouped together. All assets and liabilities are classified separately. This classification is done in the ledger account. Why is classification is important? It organizes accounting data, makes information meaningful, helps in easy analysis and reporting. Without classification, accounting records would be unorganized and difficult to understand. Third core function, summarizing. The next important function is summarizing. Summarizing means considering a large volume of accounting data into useful financial statements. The two main statements prepare are income statement which shows profit or loss, balance sheets which shows financial position. This summarizes give a clear overall picture of the business within a short time. For example, instead of checking thousands of entries, a manager can simply look a financial statement to understand business performance. So summarizing saves uh, times and improves clarity. Clarity. Yes. Next, fourth core function of the accounting. Interpreting. Interpretation is the function where accounting becomes the most meaningful. Interpreting means analyzing financial statement, studying some trends and ratios, drawing conclusions. This helps management and other users understand profitability, access financial stability, identify strength and weaknesses. For example, if expenses are increasing faster than income, accounting interpretation helps management takes corrective actions. Thus, interpretation converts numbers into useful business insights. So, there are some limitation of accountings. Uh, the first one is non-monetary factors. Accounting ignores factors like employee satisfaction, brand reputation, customer loyalty. Second one is historical cost concept. Assets are recorded at original cost, not current value. Estimate and judgments. Accounting involves estimates which may not always be accurate. Accounting policies, different methods can affect profit figures and compatibility. In real world impact of accountings, accounting plays a very important role in the real business situations. Like in tax compliances helps business follows tax laws and avoid penalties. Investor confidence, uh, transparent accounting builds trust among investor and lenders. Uh, in third one is strategic planning, provide data for planning future growth. Fourth one is assets protection, helps safeguard company assets and manage risk. To conclude, accounting is not just about maintaining books or calculating profit. It is a vital business function that transform financial data into valuable information. The core functions are recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting. Help business operate efficiently and confidently. By understanding accounting businesses can make better decisions, active, achieve sustainable growth in a competitive environment. That is why accounting is truly called the language and backbone of business. Thank you for watching my presentation and video. Thank you.